Hello guys, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. I am baking something which I have no ingredient. I don't know what to call. It's just what I thought. I tried to bake something using cornmeal, which I don't like it much, but I don't want to throw away. Then I just think about what if I bake as I did and I like the banana cake, adding yogurt. So today I did and it came out better than I thought. That is the reason I didn't recording the process. I started with mixing butter, egg, sugar, yogurt together. And then I added all-purpose flour and cornmeal and then mix well. They came out thick. I kept thinking, what I missed? Because during that time my husband came to the kitchen and talked with me about something that I lost attention in what I was doing. And then I can remember, okay, I forgot to add milk. I plan to use chocolate milk I have because the chocolate milk is too sweet instead of the regular milk. I was doing mistake because I add sugar earlier, but not much, it's fine. And then I add chocolate milk, 3 small bottles, and mix them well together. And then I bake. I preheat the oven for 150 Fahrenheit degree, and then I bake without set the time. I didn't set timing. I just take the pan out and put the toothpick in. If everything bake well enough, and then done. So good. And it doesn't sweet at all. So I add honey on top when eating. Nice. Thank you for watching and listening to me. I hope you enjoy your meal, not my recipe. But if you would like to try, go ahead. Have a great day, guys. Bye.